Hello everyone. So within 1 minute, I'm going to be teaching you all the parts of speech. What are noun? Whatever we see around us is a noun. For example, I am a noun. Lavina is a noun. So what is pronoun? When I'm using Lavina again and again, I will replace Lavina and bring I there. Lavina. Lavina is a good girl. So girl is a noun and Lavina is a noun. So good is an adjective because that is describing a noun. Lavina is running in the park. So running. What is Lavina doing? Lavina is running in the park. So running is a verb. Adverb. Lavina is running quickly. So quickly is a adverb. Preposition. Lavina is running in the park. So there is a relation between park and Lavina. Lavina is running, but she is tired. So this is joining two sentences. Interjection. Lavina is really enjoying. Hooray, Lavina. So hooray is interjection. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Save it for later.